Good morning everyone. Today we start the abstract noun. Okay, see what is abstract noun? Nouns for the things that we can't see or touch but we can feel it. What? Nouns for the things that can be feel it, not touch it, can't see it. So nouns for things that we can't see, we cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel it. That is abstract noun. For example of this, happy, angry, fun, hell, childhood, clever. Happy, we cannot touch it, we cannot see it, but we feel it. Angry, we feel it, we can't touch and see. Fun, help, and childhood, clever. Okay, these are our abstract nouns. See, we get some abstract nouns, but we added some forms of nouns, some forms of adjectives. We add some letters, we can get a what? Abstract noun. What are they? See, this one. So, what is abstract noun? Abstract nouns for the things that we can't see or touch, but we can feel it. Okay? We can feel it. We can't touch and see it. That is abstract noun. Now, what are some nouns are there? We add some letters. We get a abstract noun. Some examples. See. Some adjective words, we add nes. Okay, we add which were nes. Some adjectives words adjective, we get a abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun. See, in your textbook they can given this example. And see, great, the number one is great. We add nes. Great is an adjective. In the adjective we add nes. So greatness. See, greatness. Greatness is an abstract noun. Okay, greatness is an abstract noun. Then friendly. Adjective is a friendly. We add nes. So we get a friendliness. You write this way, friend, friendliness. Y is avoided, then friendliness. Not write Y. Okay. Now you got a friendliness. That is abstract noun. Next one is dark. Dark. We add nes, darkness. Clear? Then next word, happy. Happy. Here it is, the ending letter is Y. You remove this one, change it, replace it, and write happiness. Clear? These are the some adjectives. Okay, and we add nes, so we get a abstract noun. Clear? Some nouns are there, some verbs are here. This one is an adjective. Adjective plus nes, so we got abstract noun. Now we given some verbs. Okay, verbs that we add ion. Ion. Okay, in this case we add ion. Verb, we get abstract noun. Okay, we get abstract noun. See, what are the verbs? Act. Number one, act. We add ion. ACT, C. Which word we get? action. We'll get a action. Okay, action is a abstract noun. Okay, the next one is decide. D-E-C-I-D-E. Decide. We add this one. What? Decision. Decide, verb, decision. D-E-C-I-S-I-O-N. Decision. Okay, we get a decision. The action, decision, these are abstract nouns. And educate. Educate. We add I-O-N, education. Education. Okay, we get a education. That is abstract noun. And last one is solve. Solve. This is a verb. Solve is a verb. Then we change this one into a, add this one I-O-N, so we get a solution. Solution is a abstract noun. Clear? These are the verb, and we add this one I-O-N, this verb plus I-O-N, we get these abstract nouns. Action, decision, education and solution. Clear? And some adjectives and nouns are there, verbs are there. How we get it? See. Add what? A-N-C-E. A-N-C-E. Other words, E-N-C-E. Okay? Add E. What? A-N-C-E or E-N-C-E. I given some adjectives or verbs. Okay? This is letters added. We will get a abstract noun. See this one. Brilliant. Brilliant. This is an adjective. Okay? This we add A-N-C. See, we get a abstract. Brilliance. Brilliance. We get a brilliance. Okay? Brilliant is an adjective. We add A-N-C-E, so we get a brilliance. Brilliance is a abstract noun. Next one is different. Different. This is also a adjective. So we add difference. We add E-N-C, so we get a abstract noun, difference. Okay? These two are adjective. We add A-N-C-E or E-N-C-E. We get here it is, we get a brilliance. Here we get a difference. Okay? These are the abstract nouns. Clear? And now I given some verb. See, verb there. This one is adjective. Okay? This one is verb. Appear. Appear. We add what? A-N-C. So we get a abstract noun, appearance. Appearance. Okay? The next one is guide. Guide is a verb. Appear and guide is a verb. We add guidance. Clear? So, these are brilliant. We add A-N-C-E or E-N-C-E. Some adjectives are here, brilliant and different. We add brilliant, A-N-C-E, brilliance. We get a abstract noun. Here, this is a difference. We get a abstract noun. And appear. Some verbs are given. Appear and guide, appearance and guidance. Clear? And the last one is we add hood. Hood. H-O-O-D. Hood. Okay? I given some adjective. adjective given. The first word is false. F-A-L-S. We add false plus hood, falsehood. Okay. Falsehood. This is an abstract noun. Falsehood. Okay. False plus hood, falsehood. And lightly. Lightly. We add light plus hood, likelihood. Likely plus hood, likelihood. We replace Y instead of I. Likelihood. Clear? These are the abstract noun. Okay. See? So these words are we will get a abstract nouns. We add some letters, some adjectives and verbs. So we get a abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract nouns we can see it but we cannot touch it. The nouns of things we cannot touch it and we cannot see it but we feel it. That is abstract noun. Clear? Okay.